What's up, YouTube? Yeah, it's that day. It's that day. This, what you're looking at in this box, is the Vader E X20 electric scooter. Just came today, got dropped off. I'm going to assemble it. Sorry, I don't have a garage or anything like that, so I'm going to have to do it in my house. But the good thing is, I found out that I can get a storage unit for like 30 bucks a month since I live in a apartment, and that's not bad. 30 bucks a month. I make pretty good money, so um, it shouldn't hamper me that much. Or if I want to, I can actually just keep it in here in one of the rooms or something like that. But yeah, so you can see how small it is in here. So I'm gonna yeah, I'm a Star Wars fan. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's pretty small in here. So I'm going to put it together in here, this little bit of room I have, and we'll see what happens then and see how much room I got left over. But I'm very excited. Finally came. It took a little, like, I don't know, maybe like 7 days, give or take, maybe 6 or 7 days, but that's not that bad. So I will continue the video. Okay, YouTube. So I've taken out everything that I think I'm going to need to assemble this thing. I got my impact gun here, fully charged, and mallet. Knock that steel crate open and everything else I might need. Now, I'm gonna cut this thing open. Shut up, CC. Let's see. See, I could. You know what? That's not a knife. That's a knife. Crocodile Dundee. All right. Yeah, nice X going in there. It's a big ass knife. Damn crate. I tell you one thing though, it took me and the driver forever to get this thing into the house place. And yeah, I thought it would be fully as I thought I thought it would be taller than this. I really did. I thought it would be taller than this. When I saw how short it was, I kind of got worried. I said, damn, I'm gonna have to put a lot together. Yeah, I definitely thought it would be taller than this. Put some more light on here. This is gonna be a little complicated with this little bit of room I got here. Plus, it's the dead of it's winter time. There's snow all over the place outside, so that doesn't help at all. Move your ass, CC. All right, man. This thing's kind of short. Wait a minute, this thing's got to get taller than this somehow. Wait a minute, this thing's got to be taller than this. Okay, I'm back. I had to go find a few things. So yeah, that gets bigger, I guess. So what you will need is geez, that flew off. Didn't need that to happen. As you can see, the wheel isn't connected. That should be a little task. CC, leave it alone. Leave it alone.